welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're putting together a hanging basket. First of all, it's a 14-inch basket filled with SWELL WELL compost. In the centre, we've put in a pineberry. Now, pineberries are like strawberries that saw a ghost. They're white with little pink seed-like dots, and they taste like pineapple. Delicious. Around that, we're going to put in 3 alpine strawberries, and these are just little tiny little red strawberries that will spill out of the basket. They need no care, and they fruit from June until November non-stop. So we're going to put 3 of those around the pineberry, and they're colourful and tasty. It's a lovely way to grow strawberries, nice and clean, above ground level, where some of the critters can't nibble at them before you get to them. So we're putting in 3 alpine strawberries, really tasty small strawberries, and then you have your pineberry in the centre. And these plants will last in this basket for a few years. We've filled it with SWELL WELL compost, of course, with a nice base fertiliser with the SWELL WELL compost, and I would feed then with a liquid feed like Sure Bloom to keep them in good condition. So that's a pineberry surrounded by some lovely alpine strawberries with your pineberry in the centre. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.